'Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain, turn around and let it rain.
Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So if you're a returning subscriber, chances are you might notice a slightly different background, and that's because I'm not at home. I'm currently in Frankfurt with work for a couple of days. But I might have some time slots in between where I don't have anything scheduled. I haven't filmed a luxury vlog in quite a while. Plus, checking out boutiques in a different city is always quite exciting. So if you're watching this video, that should mean that I did manage to get enough footage to put together a luxury shopping vlog. So welcome to my channel, welcome to this video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Leslie. I'm so glad to have you here. On my channel, I talk about all things luxury, hauls, reviews, reveals, unboxings, shopping vlogs and everything in between. So if that sounds like your thing, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel, and also thumb up this video if you enjoy it. Alright, so first things first, can I please get a round of applause because I'm actually wearing jeans today, which is super unusual for me. I'm usually in tights and dresses or leggings, but yeah, I figured because the dress code called for, I think it was casual. Most of my dresses are slightly above casual, so I figured I might as well go for jeans, and they still fit, which is great. And the area that I just filmed in front of, I'm not too familiar with Frankfurt, so I can't give you that much information on what we're currently looking at, but it's green and yeah. Hi, by the way, I might look a little worse for wear because I got up at, I think, 5:30 to catch my flight, and it's currently 6:30 in the afternoon, or like in the evening. This is my bag of the weekend. I have yet to film a more detailed video on the Saint Laurent Toy Lulu. I'm definitely going to get to that. Good morning, and it's Saturday. I'm about to head to breakfast and then I'm gonna brave the shop, so let's go.
Don't you be afraid, just follow me. You don't need no space, just follow me. Like a mirror you reflect me, like a Friday night on the weekend. I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end.
The first stop on Saturday was Dior, and that was an easy choice because anytime I'm in a city that actually has a standalone Dior boutique, I make a point of going inside and just taking it all in. I mean, the interior of the Dior boutiques is just next level, and also the staff and like, yeah, the whole experience is just so lovely. Everyone is so nice in every single Dior boutique that I've been to this far. So yeah, I didn't go into the boutique with the intention of buying anything, which I succeeded in, but I did ask the SA to bring out the different sizes of the Lady Dior. I know it's not the first time. Initially, I was dead set on the largest size, which I tried on in the boutique in like a beigey grayish color. I think that bag is way too big on me for some reason. I guess the whole mini or micro bag trend kind of seeped into my subconscious and tells me that the largest Lady Dior is way too big and boxy. Then I tried on the, I think it's the My Lady Dior, which the My Lady Dior is the one that comes with the thicker strap where you can attach these like charms to. And then I tried on the small size in this like beautiful blue gradient, but I think I just have to come to terms with the fact that the Lady Dior isn't for me. I mean, it's been on my wish list for several years, I guess, but I think the fact that I still haven't pulled the trigger kind of tells me that I probably shouldn't buy a Lady Dior to begin with. Next off, I went into Ferragamo because a friend of mine basically instructed me to take a look at this bag right here. You might recognize the print or like the colorway because I did unbox the studio bag in this exact color, and I'm still absolutely in love with this bag. Obviously, it's not a classic bag by any means, but this bag just makes me so happy. Definitely check out my video if you haven't already. Anyway, she instructed me to take a look at the bag in terms of sizing and stuff, and I think it's just below the 1K mark, which is amazing for an all-leather bag. And I mean, it's on the smaller side, of course, but yeah, it does fit the essentials. This is another like flowery design, a little more orangey, reddish, but also super pretty. And lastly, Saint Laurent. Ever since I purchased my Toy Lulu, which was just before Christmas last year, for some reason, so many designs from Saint Laurent speak to me. In particular, the Cassandra bag, which I tried out in the mock croc, like stamped or like embossed leather. This bag is so beautiful, and it has a really fun closure mechanism. Also really beautiful, the Saint Laurent Sac du jour. This is, I think it might be the smallest size. It looks quite tiny, but also in the mock croc, absolutely stunning. The puffer bag kind of speaks to me, but I think this bag in particular participated in the most recent price increase. So I mean, the leather feels so beautiful, and I mean, this pistachio color is beautiful. Also this like grayish with a hint of beige. I mean, compared to Chanel prices, obviously Saint Laurent is still way below that, but they've definitely caught on to the fact that a lot of people maybe change gears and stop buying Chanel and look for alternatives. And yeah, I mean, supply and demand, I guess. So I definitely understand why they raise their prices the way they do, but for that tiny of a bag, I don't know. Oh, also, most of these Saint Laurent bags also come in a so black version, the puffer bag being one of them. And then the SA, for some reason, also felt like I should take a look at this like bleached lilac-y denim puffer bag. This is the size up from the smallest puffer bag that I showed in leather. Yeah, not a fan, let's put it that way. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up, that would help me out a lot. I really enjoyed filming this video. I haven't filmed a shopping vlog in quite a while, but yeah, these are just so fun to film and to put together. Anyway, thanks again so much for watching. I would love to have you back for my upcoming videos, so please consider subscribing. That would mean so much to me. And also, as I said, give this video a thumbs up. I know everyone on YouTube asks you to do that, but it really does help a lot. So yeah, thanks so much, and until next time, bye.